Welcome back to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing a complete tour of the Port Orleans French Quarter Resort at Walt Disney World. Port Orleans French Quarter is a Disney moderate resort that's themed as though you've stepped back in time to New Orleans' historic French Quarter, complete with cobblestone streets, gas lamps, iron balconies, magnolia trees, and lush landscaping. Today we're sharing a tour of a standard room with 2 queen beds, as well as a full tour of the resort to show you the on-site amenities, restaurants, dining options, the playground and pool area, gift shop, arcade, and more. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us today. We've got lots more Disney content like this, so be sure to check out our channel for other resort tours and dining reviews, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Port Orleans French Quarter is located near Epcot, as well as the Disney Springs area at Disney World, and has a sister resort next door called Port Orleans Riverside. When you arrive at the resort lobby and main entrance, you'll find lots of colorful Mardi Gras decorations and characters, and a beautiful water fountain. In the main building, you'll also find guest services, check-in and bell desk in the main lobby, the Jackson Square gift shop, South Quarter arcade games, Scat Club and lounge, and the Sassagoula Floatworks and food factory.
They got purple and gold and green coins in there. People trying to get them up. Oh man, they probably tried to get them up top.
Just past the main building, you'll find a large playground, as well as the main swimming pool and splash area that also has fun Mardi Gras theming. Here you can also find restrooms, laundry facilities, and Mardi Gras, the pool bar.
It's like a jester. Like a mermaid tail over here. And this is the Mardi Gras.
Other fun experiences you can enjoy at the resort include horse-drawn carriage rides, movies under the stars, Cajun campfire activities, and Surrey and bike rentals and fishing. Transportation options at the French Quarter include Disney bus transportation to get you to any of the Disney parks, as well as Disney water taxis, which will take you along the Sassagoula River to Disney Springs. You can also take the water taxis to other Disney resorts on the river, including Old Key West, Saratoga Springs, and French Quarter's sister resort over at Port Orleans Riverside. There are 7 main buildings that house the guest rooms at French Quarter, and during our visit we are touring a standard room located on the ground floor corner room in Building 3.
All right. This is a tour of a 1-bedroom standard room at the Port Orleans Resort French Quarter. This is on the ground floor level, a corner room. So you can see it's got a lot of light and bright light coming in, beautiful curtains. I'm gonna give you a tour of this room here at the Port Orleans French Quarter. We've got some Disney magic here with the little Mickey ears hidden on the table with the Mardi Gras beads. That's pretty awesome. Just first impressions, really beautiful decorations in here. Light and bright, white bedspreads, pretty wood accents, and beautiful artwork. Got a dresser with 3 drawers here. Nice deep drawers. On top here we've got a large television. Of course they've got the Disney Channel station on playing with the music. Got a little dual coffee maker here, a 2-brew with Joffrey's coffee and Twining's tea, coffee mate, creamers, cups, ice bucket. Got a built-in USBs and electrical outlets. Down below, some pretty accents on the wood. Got the fleur-de-lis going on here and some Mardi Gras accents. It's got the mini fridge in here. This is just a standard mini fridge, no freezer, but I've got some good number of shelves in here, and also some stackables for cans, and in the doorway as well. Cools to 41 degrees and above. There you go. So don't put anything that needs to stay frozen. Got a nice little coat hanger here with a shelf and a little bench as well. That's very cute. Love the accents and the colors in here. Take a look at that fan, kind of the gold and the wood trim. And I'm loving these headboards with beautiful decorations and the lights up above with the fleur-de-lis. Really pretty. And so these light switches turn the lights up above, off, and back on. And we've got another light here. Let's see what this does. Oh, that turns on the main light. Got the room phone. And some additional USBs and electrical outlets there as well. Those middle lights right there that I just pushed lit up this light in here. And it's got a really pretty design on it as well, if you can see. Really pretty design. Awesome. I'm loving the artwork over here as well. Of course, this is French Quarter, so very classic style. And even got some trim in the crown molding. And then check out these curtains. So you can close this for some privacy, or if someone's getting ready in the bathroom, you can close that off and let people sleep. Additional privacy as well. Like that curtain, nice colors, and nice sized bathroom as well. Got a dual vanity, like some little kind of pearl handles. Got a mirror, the ironing board and iron, extra pillows and blankets, the room safe over here in the corner, and extra hangers, trash cans, and then got the additional towels and a hair dryer down below. And then even a built-in vanity. This is a light-up vanity, so turn the switch and that turns on. Really nice. And it's got a nice little shelf here as well for additional storage space to put on the shelf. All right, and then checking into the bathroom area here. So this does have a door off to the toilet room and shower. And so it is a tub shower combo, which is nice if you're coming with kids. It's great if they still take baths. Got a little bit of detail here around the inside edge of the shower and the built-in H2O Plus. Got body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Very nice. And lots of towels. Always need lots of towels. Yeah, overall impressions, very nice and bright, clean. Very nicely done. Oh, I've got to check out the shower curtain too. So we've got some hidden elements in here as well. See if you can see the little touches to the Princess and the Frog. We've got the frog prints here. And little crowns and the two little frogs kissing with the heart. That is adorable. Oh yeah, overall impressions. This is such a cute room. Very nice. We love Port Orleans French Quarter. Such a nice resort. Moderate resort, but really with some really nice amenities and theming, especially if you love New Orleans. So thanks for joining us. We'll give you a tour of the rest of the resort and some of the other amenities you have here, and hope you enjoy.
One of the dining options at the resort is the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory. This is a quick service dining location open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here you can go up to any of the food counters to order what you would like, or you can also place a mobile order on the My Disney Experience app. They specialize in Cajun and Creole options here, but you can also find a variety of options for the whole family. Breakfast options include the continental breakfast, bagel sandwiches, large breakfast platters, omelets, Mickey waffles, and more. For lunch and dinner, they also have a variety of entrees, including pizzas and pasta, soups, salads, and sandwiches, as well as other entrees, including roasted salmon, turkey, pot roast, jambalaya, gumbo, and Walt's favorite chili. You can also get a couple different burgers, a grilled chicken sandwich, chicken strips, a prime rib dip, or a barbecue pulled pork sandwich. They also have a bakery and a variety of snacks and desserts, including ice cream and coffee.
We are at Sassagoula Floatworks, and this is the French dip with French fries, shoestring fries, and some au jus. This is the 50th anniversary cheesecake dome. Can't wait to dig into that. And Emma got the Walt's chili. Are you excited for try Walt's chili in a sourdough bread bowl? So this is one of the 50th anniversary treats that they came out with, one of the recipes for this year. Very cool. And Emma was excited it was sourdough, huh, hon? You guys have got some big old slices of pizza over here. Oh my goodness, pepperoni pizza. Huge slice. Yeah. We've got the pot roast dinner with green beans, pot roast, mashed potatoes and gravy, and the jambalaya with cornbread. That looks fantastic. You can get a lot of variety here. How is it, kiddo?
I also have peach lemonade.
Yes, they also have all kinds of flavors of lemonade. This is the 50th anniversary cheesecake dome with a 50th anniversary chocolate coin on top. And since we're at Port Orleans Resort, they've got some Mardi Gras kind of themed glitter and confetti on the bottom. Very cool. Let's see here.
And then you can do your...
Ooh, look at this. Glitter. Try a bite. See what you think.
Scat Cat's Club is a very popular location at French Quarter where you can find amazing beignets and jazz music. They have both a lounge where you can get specialty cocktails, appetizer, and beignets while you listen to some live jazz, as well as a cafe just outside the lounge where you can get beignets any time of day. Options here include the Mickey-shaped beignets in a pack of 3 or 6 that come with a choice of dipping sauces. They also have specialty beignets that change on a seasonal basis, and Baton Rouge beignets that are also known as the boozy beignets that come with a pipette of Irish cream, Kahlua, or rum chata. Inside Scat Cat's Lounge, you can order a variety of appetizers, including loaded potatoes, wings, Mardi Gras fritters, as well as a few different beignet options, and a beignet po' boy sandwich. They also have non-alcoholic mocktails, as well as cocktails, beer, and wine.
Cinnamon sugar specialty beignet over here at Scat Cat's. Oh my goodness. And the 6-pack of regular classic beignets. And these come with your choice of dipping sauces, chocolate, caramel, and strawberry, right? Mm-hmm. Looks awesome. Okay, we're digging into beignets here. Oh, we got some action going on over here. What do you think, Aurora?
I like that.
You like it?
I'm gonna try it in some chocolate sauce.
We got some air pockets going on in there. That looks good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And chocolate dipping sauce.
And turn it over.
Oh, you got a fresh one over here.
That's chocolate.
See how it is with chocolate.
It's super rich. Whoa.
It said chicory chocolate or something like that. And it said it had some kind of a seasoning in it, or it's a special kind of chocolate.
Emma
I
wants
think
a
it's got a
beignet.
coffee wing.
Coffee chocolate.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video was helpful to you in planning for an upcoming trip. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions, and we're happy to share more about our experience at this resort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to access more content like this. We've got more videos coming soon, including our experience at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort. We hope you have a magical day, and we'll see you next time.